Sri Akal, Namaskar, Selamat Sejahtera for Malaysians and to the whole world, nation of the people around the world. Good day to you. Today, we are going to be soon celebrating the birth anniversary of the great saint, the great messenger of God, Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the person who brought wisdom to this world, not only for a sect of people in northern India, but to the entire mankind. His philosophy was based on 3 pillars, very important pillars that is applicable today to every human being on this universe. The first pillar of his teaching was an honest earning, kirat in Punjabi. Kirat means an honest earning. Now if we try to dissect these 2 words, honest and earnings, it does not only confine to monetary gains. It doesn't confine to only the earnings through your work. There's earnings of knowledge. There's earnings of wealth. There's earnings of respect. There's earnings of all kind of things that we see in this world. The learning process. And everything that we learn is part and parcel of earning. We cannot confine that to money alone. And honesty. Honesty means learning not by copying, but learning through an experience. The learning process. So, honest earning. Honest means the honesty, the rights, the respect. How can this be honest? So, the first teaching of Guru Nanak Dev Ji is based on an honest earning. Whatever we earn in this world, whether it's knowledge, whether it's money, whether it's respect, whether it's your art, whether it's your action, whether it's your speech, whatever we do, it adds value to your life. And that added value is called as honest earning. So this is the first pillar that Guru Nanak said, that we all human beings have to have an honest earning through our own hands, not by cheating, not by manipulating, not by copying, not by hurting, and not by creating animosity. This is a very important pillar, that if you all can adopt this pillar of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, I would feel that the teaching of Guru Nanak Dev Ji reaches the whole universe. That is the first pillar of our lives. Because the real reason of ourselves in this world today, our coexistence between the people around us, between the relationship that we have, between the families to families, between animals and human beings, we are coexisting. There's no hatred. You can't hate a particular animal. You can't hate a particular race. We are one. So Guru Nanak Dev Ji's first pillar was the pillar of honest earning. वो है किरत कमाई, honest earning. The second principle that goes along concurrently with the first one is the sharing. Guru Nanak Dev Ji's words, Vand Shakana, to share. And whatever we earn, whether we earn knowledge, whether we earn money, whether we earn wealth, whether we earn any kind of things that it's an added value to ourselves, we now share. So, from the honest earning, we honestly share. Because even sharing can be manipulative. If we manipulate a sharing, if we have a different ideology behind a sharing process, then we are not human. We are following the mind. But if the sharing is honest sharing of money, of wealth, of knowledge, of kindness, of care, of compassion. All these are caring, which is abundant in every human being. And this is one of the most important philosophy of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, is to share without even expecting. So no expectation in return. So we share. So one Shakna. And as we share, as we keep on sharing, then there is the next part. That is the third pillar of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. That is to say that Naam Japana, to be in the state of meditation throughout our lives. Now, that meditation does not mean that we must sit down in a corner of the house or a corner of the jungle to meditate. Every encounter in life is an encounter of meditation. If there is meditation, if there's truthfulness, if there's honesty, meditation is automatic. So there's a constant state of mind which we call as meditation. In service we meditate. In giving we meditate. In receiving we meditate. So meditation is between the two pillars, honest earning and honest sharing. Between these two actions, there is meditation. So if there's no meditation between this, there will be definitely no honesty in sharing. There will be no honesty in earning. So is karke the third pillar of Guru Nanak Dev Ji is about meditation, because meditation is part and parcel of life. Without meditation, there is no connectivity. Meditation is between these two pillars. And without meditation, there is no life. Everything in this world is based on meditation. Animals meditate, plants meditate. We human beings has forgotten meditation. Because we forgot what meditation is all about, there's corruption in our earnings, there's corruption in our sharing, there's corruption in every life that we are now today facing around the world. So if these three pillars become the part and parcel of our life, then I would guarantee that this world will be a beautiful place to live in. Because we become human, we become humane, we become humble, and we know that there cannot be any other trouble, because everybody lives in a very honest system of this whole universal arena. So there are three pillars of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. If we can practice these three pillars of Guru Nanak, this philosophy, I think it applies to every human being, irrespective of race, culture. That's the reason why you will see this, the followers of Guru Nanak Dev Ji are service oriented. Around the world, you must have seen, you must have heard in the last 2 years and also decades before, that there are people there who are only out there to serve a man without even choosing the religion, choosing the race, and choosing the color. They are all out there. The followers of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, we call ourselves the Sikhs, the seekers, the learners. And we are only learning these three pillars, living within these three pillars. And we want to do the honest serving. And we do the service without even expecting anything. Because the Mother Nature provides the kind of rationing that we need to. It's provided by the Mother Nature. It's automatic. So when there's honest service, when there's honest sharing, Mother Nature will automatically provide the needed ration to be in this process of a phenomena. It's a phenomenon of service, phenomenon of earning, and phenomenon of meditation, because there are three realms in which we have to live. We have forgotten. So the message to the whole world on this auspicious day on Guru Nanak's birthday is to remain ourselves in these three particular auspicious principles of life. Because in these principles of life, Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, Na koi bairi, na hi begana. There's no animosity here with anybody. And neither anybody is different. We are all human race. We are human brothers and sisters in this world. We live peacefully, with these three principles. Let's adopt the principles and make our lives as beautiful as possible. So with these three pillars of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, what can happen to this world? This world becomes a beautiful place to live in, because this world will eliminate completely dualities, polarities, separations, oppositions and differences. If there are differences, it will be positive differences, not negative differences. So with this, if we can all adopt the doctrine of Guru Nanak Dev Ji through these three pillars and these three teachings, I will feel that the world becomes a very peaceful place to live in and a wonderful life that we can all have together. So with this, I would like to wish the whole universe happy Guru Nanak Dev Ji's birthday and happy Guru Purab to all the Sikhs in the world. Sat Shri Akal.